Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to care for an India Voodoo Lily. Now the Voodoo Lily is a beautiful flower that starts from a bulb, had spotted leaves and a beautiful flower that doesn't smell that great, but it's just brown and looks like a little pitcher plant. But it's a beautiful plant that's actually pretty easy to grow. So the materials that you will need are a Voodoo Lily bulb, and a container or a garden spot with any type of compost or potting soil. First step, plant your Voodoo Lily in a container with about 3 inches of soil above it. Next step, cover it about 3 inches deep. Next step, put it in the sunniest spot that you can find or leave it in a greenhouse, and it will come up and bloom every summer. So Voodoo lilies do not want to get cold. They really don't even like it below 50 degrees without getting damaged. So make sure in the wintertime, keep it indoors if you live in a cold climate, in a garage, in a pot, but keep it dry always in the wintertime and let it bloom every summer, and you can enjoy a little voodoo in your life.